Hi, this is Michael Oak again with MyTana Manufacturing in St. Paul, Minnesota. Just like to touch base on a couple troubleshooting questions that I normally get regarding jetters. One of the main questions is they call in and they'll say, I'm not getting proper pressure, my pump is spiking, it's going up and down, it's going from 3,000 psi down to 0 to 3,000. So a couple of things that I have them try over the phone or on their own and then get back to me is always start troubleshooting from the nozzle head itself backwards. Take the nozzle head off, and the holes that are drilled in these nozzles are super small, so it doesn't take a lot to clog these. And then you would take your nozzle tip cleaner that comes with all our jetters, and we have two styles. One's a acetylene tip cleaner, torch cleaner, and you would poke through the holes to make sure they're all cleared. We also provide a little single file that goes through all the holes and keeps them all clean. Just another side note, people put nylon Teflon tape on there. You should not do that on the nozzle end here, because the tape can break away and once again plug one of the holes in the nozzle, and you're back to the same problem. The MyTana nozzles have knurled sides on them, so you can screw them on and just hand tight them. You don't need to take channel locks or vice grips or anything. And then try jetting again to see if you leveled out the spiking of your pump or you're getting full pressure again. This unit here, the M30, is basically a 4.5 gallon a minute unit. And so what I have them test, two things. First, the source from more than likely the customer's spigot. You take their regular spigot and their garden hose, you have a 5-gallon bucket, you turn it on full, you time it for 1 minute, and hopefully you're getting 4.5 or up to 6, 7, 8 gallons a minute. But you want to make sure you're not starving the pump. So if you're getting the volume out of your spigot, the customer spigot, that's not the problem. The next step would be, after that's proven to not be a problem, you take the garden hose and hook it up to your jetter. And then at that point, I'll just lay that down for filming purposes. At that point, the water is hooked up. You would take your jetter hose here without a nozzle, put it in the bucket, turn your whole unit on, same test, try it for 1 minute and see how much your pump is pushing out. And if it's pushing out 4.5 gallons a minute, well then there's another issue, something else going wrong. The other things you always want to observe, I'll ask the customer if there's any water leaking from the pump manifold or underneath. That might tell me that there's a broken ceramic plunger, or it might be another issue. So just basic things to take care of. It's always great to be proactive and to read the manual and see when you should change the oil in the pump and the motor as well. That'll save a lot of headaches, hopefully, down the road. If you still are having issues, feel free to call us at MyTana Manufacturing, 1-800-328-8170, and we'd be glad to help you out.